Pretty sure everyone who's watching this video already has a $10 coupon sitting on their Epic Games account, and if you don't know how to check it, just open your Epic Games launcher and do what I did on screen because I don't remember when I'm recording. And just in case you don't have it, go watch my other video, link in the description to know how to claim it. So anyway, on this video we are gonna take a look at 5 games on which you can spend that $10 coupon on because it's gonna expire someday, and before that using it would be a great idea. So let's begin. What is up gamers, my name is Priyam, and as I said before, on this video we're gonna take a look at top 5 games on which you can consider using your $10 coupon on. But before that, some things about the coupon. First off, it is only valid until 1st November, so you have to use it before that. Second, it will only work with games costing over 14.99 USD. Third, you can't stack it with any other coupon, like I have one here that I got in Mega Sale. You can't combine both of them, you have to use them separately. Fourth, it is only valid for just one use. Pretty sure you knew this one. Finally, you can't use it to buy in-game items like V-Bucks in Fortnite. It is only for games on the Epic Games Store. And let's talk about those games now. And guys, do me a favor and leave a like on this video. Let's see if we can reach 400 likes, would be awesome. And also, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, not only will it make my day, it will also keep you updated if you're a gamer. Alright, so on the number 1 we have Mafia Trilogy. I'm sure most of you guys know about this game. If you don't, you have to go and watch some reviews or something so you get some idea. Anyway, this combo includes all of the 3 Mafia games in their definitive editions. And definitive edition is just another word for remaster. And I have to say that this one is one hell of a remaster. It is normally priced at 42.99 USD, but once you use the coupon you can get it for 33 USD. And also, by the way, this trilogy also contains all of the DLCs. Next up we have Star Wars Jedi The Fallen Order. Well, if you go to the product page of this game, you might get a bit confused because the price of the standard edition of the game here is 59.99 USD, but if you look below that, the deluxe edition is available for a cheaper price of 27 USD. Well, this is obviously a mistake by Epic, but anyway, if you look at the deluxe edition, you can literally buy it for $27 without any coupon. But when you use the coupon, boom, you will get the maxed out version of this game for just $16, actually $17. And this has to be the best price I've seen this game for. And compared to the standard edition, on the deluxe edition you'll get some extra things in game that I'm sure you'll like. Oh, and by the way, if you play Fortnite, you'll also get a Stormtrooper skin, which looks good. And also, you might be wondering, why didn't I mention Star Wars Squadrons? It's a new game, right? Well, you can use the coupon on that game if you really want it and if you already have Fallen Order. But if you don't have Fallen Order, you have not played it, I would recommend playing this one if you're a Star Wars fan. And both are really different kind of games, but it really depends on you. I just don't like the pricing of the Star Wars Squadron games. It's a bit too overpriced. But anyway, next up we have The Witcher 3, and this one had to be on the list. And this is actually The Witcher 3 Game of the Year edition, which includes some extra stuff. So basically the price of this game is currently 18.96 USD. You heard me right, that's without the coupon. And guess what? When you use the coupon, you will get it for only 8 USD. That's obviously a good deal, but I have seen this game for a cheaper price on Steam, but it's totally up to you. The only problem here is that there is no sale, and I don't think there will be any sale until 1st November. And that's the main problem for us, because if we wait for the sale, the coupon might expire. And guys, if you're patient enough, you can wait until 30th of October. Just don't forget about this, okay? Because all of these games might get even more cheaper, and when you use the coupon after that, you can get it for like a way more cheaper price. Just stay tuned on my channel, Twitter, Instagram if you don't want to forget about this. On the next up we have Far Cry 4. Now I'm sure all of you already have Far Cry 3 for free if you've been watching my videos, but Far Cry 4 is also a great game, and the normal price of this game on Epic is 22 USD, meaning that once you use the coupon you'll get it for just 12 USD. Well, it's totally up to you, but I think you might like this game if you're an Indian, because I liked it too. But anyway, and also by the way, you can get a $10 discount on other Far Cry games too, but it's totally up to you. Alright, so the 5th one has to be Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1+2. Now this is actually a collection of 2 games, the fully remastered Tony Hawk's Pro Skater and the sequel of that game. And both of them are insanely awesome. I have actually played the non-remastered one, but I'm sure that this one is also good. These ones. Okay, and this is the reason why I don't make top 5 videos. First off, these are not in any order. This is not like top 5. These are just 5 random games that I actually like. And second, I hate having limits. So let's just take a look at a few more games as quick as possible. Red Dead Redemption 2, you could have bought it a few days back for just $20 if you use the coupon, but it's alright, you can still buy it for $34 if you use the coupon right now. And trust me on this, even if the price of the game is a bit too high right now, it's absolutely worth it. Anyway, so we also have GTA 5 right now. However, I would recommend buying it from Steam because that's a bit better. But if you were not able to claim this game for free and if you want it for the cheapest price possible, buy it right now on Epic Games using the coupon for just 14.99 USD. Next up, The Outer Worlds. Beautiful fun game. You can buy it for $34 if you use the coupon. Oh, and also World War Z. If you liked Left 4 Dead 2, you will love this one too. Well, I mean, you'll like it, not love it as much as Left 4 Dead. But anyway, that is gonna be it, everyone. Leave a like on this video and go to the comments below and tell me which game do you think is the best to buy with that coupon. And also let me know if you've already done it as well. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one.